They say Nsukka police don't finally arrest some group of guys where they use Biafra name, they collect phones and they kidnap our people. They buy our people for inside bush. No be smart, you know. Things are really happening. My people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, things are happening, and we here today bring you bunga news as they hot. Before we jump into the news we will get for hand today, I beg, if you know say you know they follow or subscribe to this channel, I beg may you quickly go do and make sure say you they turn your notification bell on so that anytime we will upload, you'll be the first person we're going to get our update. Wetin carry us come for here today na this group of guys where they don't catch it. They say these guys now then they terrorize Nsukka and they use army uniform, they operate as well. They even get POS and other things matter they find for their hand. We be say if they carry our people, they'll still collect money for them. Tomorrow they turn say na ESN. Now they do and what be say ESN they protect our bush against Fulani invasion. This is happening live in Nsukka. We are going to play you the video. May you hear them for their own mouth. Waiting they talk, how they tell they do them, and where they work put before we come back and proceed. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Okay. First of all, what is your name? From where? About what time the police intercept you? Speak well. About what time police intercept you? In the morning, like what time?
Leave me now. Thank you for your job. Well done.
Speak up.
Leave me. Yeah, thank you for your job. Well
7 o'clock. What were you wearing when police intercepted you?
Come out from there.
Okay.
We want to do our job now.
So where are the bus? The bus you people carry this morning, where do you take it to? The passenger bus. Now you the damn they call them. If you see bus, they come. Okay.
That's the connection from where? From Women's Army under Kuchiroku government. Under Kuchiroku government. Which local government are you from? Udenu now. You are the gang leader now. You are the one. You are the who is the gang leader now? Wabeze is the gang leader. Wabeze who? Where is he staying?
He's staying at Nsukka.
Doing what at Nsukka?
He's selling food stuff.
Okay. He's selling food stuff. Who procured these guns, these POS, the cartridge and everything, all these things? Who procured the military uniform?
It's him.
It's Wabeze that procured this military uniform. Everything, both the gun, the POS. He's the one that registered the POS you people are using to take people's money forcefully after seizing them. Like how many times have you been involved in this matter?
When I go rob a police for a house.
How many times? How many times? It's more than that now. Don't we know it's more than that now. You understand? And anytime you people are going for operation, what do you normally wear? Huh?
I never follow them go now.
Okay, you are their informant. You position yourself ahead. Any incoming vehicle, you put them on call.
Okay.
Who do you normally call on phone? What else do you normally call? This guy is your gang member. The other one is your gang member. The other one is your gang member. Okay. What is your name? What is your name? From where? Okay. How many times you don't follow them go? How many times you don't follow you go?
They'll be going before me, sir.
Okay, they have been into the robbery business before you join them. You understand? What of these guys? How many times you don't follow them go? Once.
3 times.
Who don't follow you 3 times? This one don't follow 3 times. Okay. You don't follow them. Who contact you into the business, lovely business? Wabeze. He put you on call. Wabeze is from where?
It's from Umeze.
Wabeze is from Umeze. Okay. What is that your name? Odo Uchenna. You. Oyekachi. Wabeze. How many times Oyekachi don't follow you people go?
I never go with them.
You never go with them. Okay. How many times he don't follow you go?
Like, let me say 3 times. But
Speak up now.
3 times.
3 times where you don't follow him go. And they have been into that before you.
For me,
Ah. You say that your name is what?
My name is
Oyeka. Okay. Who owns this jacket, this military jacket?
I don't know.
You told me it's yours now.
No.
They see it in your body now.
No, sir.
Who procured this cartridge? Now what is it? All these phones, who owns it? From the people, your people love, huh?
yes, sir.
Even this morning, today being the 11th day, Abi?
Yes, sir.
11th day of October 2023.
Yes,
How many vehicles will divert today?
Only one.
Only one. Z-Bus, Sienna, Shalon, what type of vehicle? Hummer bus. Hummer bus. Coming from where?
Coming from north side.
Hmm?
From northern side.
From northern side.
North side.
Okay. Heading to where?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Where is Wabeze now? And he follow you people in this morning's phone now. After the robbery, before he left to Nsukka, Wabeze is using car or motorcycle?
Yeah, welcome back my people. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. You see one day now for the thief, and one day now for the person will get house. Today the hand don't capture them. Instead of you people go use this energy to know some they no talk am, go they protect your fatherland. Use this energy, they work for justice, then not use them. You want for your pocket. Nah. See where you don't land yourself. See where you don't finally land yourself. If that your girlfriend where they work to impress, they see you here, with you go talk. If that person or for your own self now, let I come outside, come they watch this video. Where is your reputation? At the legacy way one live for your children, I be this. See this life no balance. Anything way you do today, you go meet her for front tomorrow. See waiting to do the first today. It is say for the idea, it is easy for them. You know how many people will gather and where they try to work out things for Tinubu? The drug this way do for America. It is na small crime be that. So you don't know what the future will bring for you. That's why you need to stay away from crime. You know, you don't know what future is going to bring for you. Maybe your future are meant to be greater. The things you do now, when you get to that point, it will bring you down. Because internet, don't forget, now no be before we say no internet. If you do something, maybe na few people go know. As just do that thing, bam, once one person don't post time, it don't go viral. Everybody don't see your face. Everybody don't know you. One day when you go do one thing, they don't bring your chapter come outside. By that time, you may become great in future. Then see if then that time now your image it don't damage am because of nonsense life where you live. It better say you go join people where they inside bush, they protect your land than they do this nonsense. My people, I don't want to talk too much for this particular video. I want me to share this video and let other people see what they happen. Later they go say na IPOB, na Biafra people no, na Biafra, na IPOB, na then they do am na ESN, They are not ESN. I hope the federal government they are not ESN. Share this video. We'll see you for the next update.